There's a whole world of natural beauty, and we plan to capture it all for the C.A.R.E channel and Relax with C.A.R.E. Join us on our mission to bring relaxation to everyone who needs it.
We did the hike up to Eagle Lake, which you can see right behind me here. It's a beautiful location. It's one of those ones where you can get up there and knock it out in an hour or so. There's only so many different things you can shoot of it, but it's a beautiful hike in desolation wilderness, and it's just a nice picturesque alpine lake, and you can't quite see here, but you have a couple different peaks behind me. So Ford set up and did his drone stuff to wide from this side. I hiked around the lake and shot back the other way.
I got a particularly really cool shot with the drone, because there's a little sand island in the middle of this lake with a couple of trees on it, and I was able to take the drone and fly it right between those trees. It was a really cool, dramatic shot. I was really happy with that one.
This is what happens when you get old and drone technology gets better, is you let the drone do the hike. And
Pretty soon we'll be able to just put in GPS coordinates. It's gonna have perfect obstacle avoidance.
And maybe this is what happens, is eventually we don't have to do it. We just make the drone do it. Your drone's taking pictures for me. I love you, drone face. We've got drones now. Drones are the friends of the old man. So came back around and just decided to fly my drone on up, and made it to the other side and got some great shots of the valley and the waterfall.
Also, Ryan flies his drone weird. He doesn't put the joysticks on.
It gives me better control. You can be quiet. See, I'm gonna do
He
this.
just puts his thumbs on the circles and moves them around.
I think it is the way that I shoot. It just helps me get better control. I always lose control.
It's fine. I'm just saying it's weird.
You're weird. Oh, what's going on? I don't like that.
What is happening?
I don't know. Just freaking out. I don't know if that was wind. Should I take it back?
Well,
It stopped.
I think you maybe just got hit with some wind.
That scared me, very much so.
But go back in the settings.
I don't like this. All right.
This is the year you're allowed to crash this drone, by the way.
No, because I have all my footage from the last 3 days on there. I haven't downloaded my crash.
Oh, go do that.
I made it. Got some really nice shots of the waterfall that I was too old and lazy to hike to.
It was really cool to kind of get footage like that, because we've been focusing on Tahoe so much. I think we have 1,000 shots of Tahoe. So we really did kind of want to break it up and get some other kinds of landscape. So mountain lake, evergreen trees, and a mountain in the background. It was really what we needed. One of our goals on this trip was not only to get epic sunsets, but we don't have as much footage of like really great sunrises. We get them here and there when we go on shoots, but Tahoe is kind of a special location, so we knew we could probably get a really good special morning segment here.
Here we go. Final morning, final sunrise. 4:30.
Get up at 4:30 in the morning, we're driving, it's still dark, and we park on the side of the road to hike to Baldwin Beach. The only reason we're parking on the side of the road and hiking to the beach is because this beach doesn't actually open to the public until 8 a.m. So we wanted a sunrise segment, so we had to get here at around 5 a.m. So that required us to kind of just, you know, do some urban hiking.
final morning, final sunrise here at Baldwin Beach. At the C.A.R.E channel, we shoot sunrise and sunset because the channel is a 24-hour channel that helps with the circadian rhythm of patients. So the channel actually transitions from a star field through a morning segment, a sunrise, to daytime, to a sunset segment in the evening, back to nighttime star field. It's one of the biggest components of the C.A.R.E channel that makes it different from all our competitors. So it's something we take a lot of pride in, and something that really helps out the patients in the hospital.
Another really, really cold morning, really freezing morning, but we had the whole place to ourselves, and we were able to capture the sun coming up over the hills, and we got some really cool colors on the horizon. The horizon actually turned red for a moment, which I thought was really cool.